Today, I'll be showing you how to make a very refreshing but yet simple drink. Possibly even good for Mother's Day that's coming up this weekend. Alright, well, let's get into it. This drink is called the Sour Plum Fizzy. Very refreshing, very simple to make. Alright, let's start. So all you need is a glass and some sour plum syrup. We'll add about 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how sweet you like yours. Then we'll need a can of soda. So for your soda, here you go. There you go. And some ice. Look how beautiful that is. Then we top it off with a sour plum. Once this melts, it'll soften the skin and it's very nice to chew on. Let's put 2. Then we'll dress it up with some dried orange peel. That's it. And finally, let's put a mint leaf on top. This will add to the refreshingness of this drink. Alright, there you go. It's done. It's really that simple. Look how beautiful it is. You can make it for your guests, for your family, for your mother, maybe this weekend. So it's very simple. Let's give it a try. Wow. Just the right sweetness. If you can find this syrup in your local grocery store, most grocery store will carry it. But if you don't, then you have to go through a longer process of boiling the sour plum and extracting it. But if you can find the syrup, add it in, and there you go. The drink is done. Alright, well, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be connected to our future videos and our upcoming recipes. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye now.